nurse in Nigeria is the latest casualty in the Ebola outbreak sweeping through 4 West African countries. The World Health Organization is starting a 2-day meeting today on that outbreak. As Marcy Gonzalez reports, the group says 932 people have died and another 1,700 are infected, including 2 Americans.
Today, Nancy Reipel in her first full day of care here at Emory University Hospital. The 59-year-old Ebola patient brought yesterday to an isolated wing of the hospital, where her colleague Dr. Kent Brantley is also being treated. He arrived Saturday, both traveling 5,000 miles from Liberia, where they were infected. ABC News obtaining this exclusive video of one of their flights. You can see a healthcare worker wearing a protective suit in a pod specially designed to keep the disease from spreading.
Because of all of these safety procedures and training, I certainly do not have any concern that I would either acquire the disease or certainly not pass it on to any family member or anyone else who I'd encounter back here at home.
But there's still serious concern in West Africa, where the World Health Organization says there have been more than 100 new cases just this week, including a nurse who died after treating an infected Liberian American man in Nigeria. Still, dozens of healthcare workers are heading into the heart of the outbreak to get it under control.
If you have the training and you can help, how can you not?
As a precaution, the Peace Corps has now evacuated its volunteers from the region.
What I would have liked to do, it was probably the right decision.
As Reipel's loved ones praise the decision to bring her back home.
A week ago, he said, we were thinking about a possible funeral arrangements. Yet we kept our faith.
And both of her sons are here supporting her, and there is a lot of optimism about both patients' recovery. Marcy Gonzalez, ABC News, Atlanta.